Jira Administration for Cloud ACP-120 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. You need to make changes to the time tracking feature in Jira. What configuration can be controlled globally across all projects? A. The ability to log work on issues for specific groups. B. The ability to edit or delete their own or other users' work logs for specific users. C. The default tracking time unit, unless users explicitly specify one. D. The availability of time tracking fields on standard versus sub-task issue types. E. The requirement of an original estimate when creating issues. The answer is C. In Jira Cloud, the time tracking feature includes some global settings that apply across all projects. These include the default time unit, minutes, hours, days, or weeks. The working hours per day and days per week. Whether original estimate is required. This is also global but managed differently. In your company-managed project, you are in the process of releasing a version that contains unresolved issues. You opt to ignore these issues and proceed to release the version. What happens to the unresolved issues? A. They are moved to the next version. B. They are transitioned to done. C. They are left unresolved. D. They are moved to the top of the backlog. The answer is C. When you release a version in a company-managed project in Jira Cloud, and there are unresolved issues linked to that version, Jira does not automatically move or resolve them unless you explicitly choose to do so. During the release process, Jira will warn you about unresolved issues. You have the option to manually move those issues to another version before releasing. If you ignore the unresolved issues and continue the release, the version is released. The unresolved issues remain in that version, still open, unresolved. Alpha Team handles alerts in the Alpha project in alpha.atlassian.net. They often view and comment on bugs in the Beta project on beta.atlassian.net. The team can link Alpha issues to other Alpha issues but not to Beta issues. What needs to be configured? A. Application links. B. Global permissions. C. Application access. D. Approved domains. The answer is A. To link issues between two separate Jira Cloud sites, like alpha.atlassian.net and beta.atlassian.net, you need to set up application links, which enable secure communication and cross-site issue linking. You want to create a new link type that looks identical in linked issues. How can you achieve this? A. Create the link type with no inward link description. B. Disable bidirectional linking globally. C. Choose the same name for the inward and outward link descriptions. D. Create the link type with no outward link description. The answer is C. In Jira, issue link types have two descriptions, inward and outward. To make the link appear identical from both sides, set the same name for both descriptions. This creates a symmetrical, bidirectional link appearance. Which statement is correct regarding Jira Cloud import and export features? A. Jira admins can create backup files. B. Org admins can restore overridden backups. C. Project admins can import their own projects. D. Project admins can create site backups. E. Jira admins can import backup files. The answer is A. In Jira Cloud, only Jira administrators, not project or org admins, can create and download site backup files, which include issues, configurations, etc. Project admins cannot create or import backups. Org admins manage organization settings but do not restore Jira site data. Importing backup files is restricted and not fully supported for restoring entire sites in Jira Cloud. Your organization has 2 cloud sites. You will use the Import Jira Cloud feature to migrate from one Jira site to the other. What can you not import? A. Automation rules. B. Custom fields. C. Deleted issues. D. Team-managed projects. E. Attachments. The answer is C. When using the Import Jira Cloud feature to migrate data between 2 Jira Cloud sites, deleted issues are permanently removed and cannot be imported. Everything else, like automation rules, with limitations, custom fields, attachments, and even team-managed projects, can be migrated, though some may require manual adjustments or extra steps. Currently, users log time and enter a comment on a transition screen when closing issues. Now, they want the comment to be copied automatically to the work log description. Identify the configuration area that needs to be modified. A. Field configuration. B. Global time tracking settings. C. Issue layout. D. Workflow condition. E. Global permissions. The answer is B. In Jira Cloud, there's a global time tracking setting called Copy Comment to Work Log Description. When enabled, any comment entered during a transition, e.g., closing an issue, is automatically copied into the work log description. You renamed a value in the resolution field from done to finished. What might need to be updated as a result? A. Workflow post functions. B. Saved filters. C. Issue detail view. D. Issue statistics gadgets. E. Issues in team-managed projects. The answer is B. If you rename a resolution field value, e.g., from done to finished, any saved filters that reference the old value, done, will break or return incorrect results unless updated. For example, a filter like resolution equals done will no longer match any issues and must be changed to resolution equals finished. You are using a bulk operation to move a few stories from a company-managed project to a team-managed project. What will happen to the stories? A. Their comments will remain the same. B. Their keys will remain the same. C. Their issue links will be lost. D. Their issue history will be lost. The answer is A. When you bulk move issues from a company-managed project to a team-managed project in Jira Cloud, comments are retained. Issue keys change because they get new keys from the target project. Issue links may break if link types don't exist in the destination, but they aren't always lost. Issue history, like field changes, transitions, is not preserved. This is a known limitation when moving between project types. Christian has a saved filter showing bugs that have not been updated in the past 2 weeks. He plans to run a bulk operation to change the priority to highest on all the issues in the filter. Identify one definite outcome of this action. A. The saved filter will display no issues. B. Filter subscriptions based on the filter will stop sending emails. C. Christian will be added as a watcher on all the edited issues. D. Email notifications will be sent during the bulk operation. The answer is D. When Christian performs a bulk operation to update issues in Jira Cloud, bulk operations trigger notifications if notification schemes are configured to alert users about the changed fields, e.g., priority. So, email notifications will be sent to relevant users, assignees, watchers, etc., depending on the project's notification scheme.